Algebraic fraction question 9. We are in exercise 21.1. Question 9. 3x plus 15 divide x square plus 3x minus 10. So we are going to simplify this one. In numerator we can take common 3, so here is a x plus 5, and denominator 10 can be write 5 times 2, and once you subtract it will be 3. So we can write this one x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10, right? So this case 3x plus 5, and we can take common x, so here is a x plus 5 minus 2 common, again x plus 5. Now look, we can write 3x plus 5, so here is x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5, and here is x minus 2. Now in both this fraction we can divide by x plus 5, we will get 3 by x minus 2. This is our answer. Number 10. 6x minus 18, we are dividing this one x square minus x minus 6, right? So we can take over 6, so here is x minus 3, and x square minus x minus 6, 6 can be 2 times 3, right? And 3 minus 2 is a 6. So we can write 3 minus 2 is a 1. So 6 square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Now 6x minus 3. Here we can take common x. So x minus 3. Take common 2. Here is a x minus 3. Right? So finally we can write 6x minus 3. And we can take common x minus 3. So here will be x plus 2. So we can divide this one. Our answer will be 6 divide x plus 2. This is our answer. Number 11. X square minus 5x plus 6 divide x square minus 4x plus 3. So here we can write like 6 can be write 3 times 2, right? So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6, and here x square minus 3x minus x plus 3. Why? Because 3 times 1 is a 1, and minus 3 minus 1 it will be minus 4. Now we can take common x, so here is x minus 3. We can take common 2, so here is x minus 3. Same thing, x common, x minus 3, minus 1 common, x minus 3. Now look, here is x minus 3, x minus 2. Here is x minus 3, x minus 1. We can divide this one, x minus 3, x minus 3. So our answer will be x minus 2 divide x minus 1. This is our answer. So number 11 done. Number 12. X square minus 3x minus 4 divide x square minus 4x minus 5. So this one we can write x square minus 4x, right? 4x plus x minus 4. And this one x square minus 5x plus x minus 5. Because 4 times 1 equals to 4. 4 times 1 equals to 4, and 4 minus 1 is a 3. Same thing, 5 times 1 equals to 5, and 5 minus 1 is a 4. Now we can write x common nilam, x common, x minus 4 plus 1 x minus 4, and x we can take common, x minus 5 plus 1 common, here is a x minus 5, and finally here is a x minus 4 and then x plus 1, here is a x minus 5 and here is x plus 1. So x plus 1, x plus 1 out, result will be x minus 4 and then x minus 5. Number 12 done. This video I'm trying to solve 4 math based on algebraic expression, algebraic fraction. Actually this one is the algebraic fraction exercise 21.1, and I am following Hodder Education of Cambridge O-level mathematics. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel, which is Maths.